My dear friends, in this video, I am going to show you a simple, easy and powerful pocket option 5-second strategy that you can start to use right after watching this video. And this strategy works like a charm. But again, I don't call it a strategy because 5-second trading is itself not a trading, but it is a some kind of another thing that you can understand, okay, but it is not a trading. So it is too low because you cannot exactly predict the trend where market can probably go. So that's why it is always risky to make 5-second trades, and I'm going to show you in this video how I was able to make 8 trades and 6 trades were win. I'm going to exactly make these trades in front of your eyes right now in these charts. So watch this video very carefully. So the first thing that you need to do is you make all of this currency pair favorite by making it yellow, and make your candlestick time frame of S5. That means each of these candles are forming in 5-second time frame. And then if it is flagged, make it clock and just click on here and select S5 so that your trading time frame is also of 5 seconds, and you decide the amount that you want to invest in one trade. Now before explaining you the simple strategy, I want to make some I want to give you some information that if you want to copy my trades automatically in your account to make profit without trading yourself, then you can join my free Telegram channel and read the instructions there on how you can join my VIP copy trading channel to copy my trades automatically. My copy traders make profit daily on their account without trading by themselves. So you should look that thing also, okay? Okay, so let me show you the strategy. So see, whenever the market is going, so as you can see, whenever you switch, let's say you are in this chart, okay, and you switch to this chart and you see the red candle, you make trade by clicking on lower. Now once that trade is closed, you go to another chart. If it is green candle, make trade by clicking on green. Don't think much. This is the exact strategy that you are going to use to make lots of profit with 5-second time frame, because it is not a trading. 5-second trading itself is not a trading, okay? So you need a theory that can work each time you make trades, okay? So you can make trades, 5 trades in a row, okay, and see if you made 3 trades right and 2 trades were wrong, you are still in profit, okay? In that way you can make some mindset and start to trade. And if you don't feel confident, you can also test it in demo account firstly. Now what I will do is I'll keep quiet and show you the exact trading video that I have shooted before. So watch that video very carefully.